Good morning, students. Welcome. I am so excited today because we got to do a new topic. Now, from our previous lesson, what did we look at? Can anyone remember? Let me see. By the raise of hands, can anyone tell me what we did in our previous class? Yes, James. What did you do? Fraction. Are you sure that's what we did? I'm thinking about addition and subtraction. What do you think, Anita? I'm wrong? No, I'm not. You sure? Alright, we did fraction. Very good. Yes. So, can anybody tell me what is a fraction? Yes, John. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a quarter? No. Are you sure? Come on, try again. No, I don't want you to tell him the answer. I want him to figure that out. What is a fraction, John? Alright. Can you help, John? Alright, thank you so much. A fraction is a part of a whole. Yes. Thank you so much for the definition of a fraction, what we did from previous class. Now, Miss Anicia will sing a lovely song for you guys, the topic that we will do today.
Hello class, did you enjoy your previous review? Okay, now let us do a little song. Fractions, fractions, fractions. Sometimes it can be very tricky, but we can learn together. High five! You can start with the whole, with everything there. A fraction is a part of a whole. Each number in a fraction has a name. Each number in a fraction has a name. On top is the numerator. It's the number of the parts you have. Down below is the denominator. It's the number of the part. The whole is divided into. You have one pizza and someone comes along. They want to share. They split it in two. That's two groups. How many do you have? If you take one, you each get half, and that is fair. Now come on, kids, rock with me. It's the same on both sides, just like a pair. It's like a pair of socks, a pair of shoes, or even a pair of mittens. How many pizza do you have? If you take 2 slices of pizza. Fractions, fractions. Okay, class, now tell me, did you enjoy that song? Lovely, lovely. Now, who can tell me what word in this song stood out to you? What word did we hear keep repeating itself? Yes, John? Did you say fractions? Excellent! Fractions. Who else would like to try? Yes, Maria. Did you also say fraction? Yes, that is correct. So, our topic for today is the parts of a fraction. Now, class, let's invite Miss Bailey in to further explain to you parts of a fraction.
Hello, class. Look, children, I have an apple. Miss Anicia will walk around and give each of you this apple. Now I place you into groups of 5. Do you know why? It's for this activity today. I will cut this apple. Now look in front of you. How many parts do you have? Yes, Sabrina. How many do you have in your group? Yes, that's good. What about you, John? How many parts do you have? Do you guys have the same part like I do? Very good. Now, take one part and give it to anyone in your group. Now, when you give it that one part, I want you to open your book and write the part that you gave away. How many parts did you give away? One slice. And it's one out of two. Very good. Now look in front of you. How many parts do you have? Yes, Sabrina. How many do you have in your group? Yes, that's good. What about you, John? How many parts do you have? Do you guys have the same part like I do? Very good. Now, take one part and give it to anyone in your group. When you give it that one part, I want you to open your book and write the part that you gave away. How many parts did you give away? One slice. And it's one out of two. Very good. Because we have two slices and we gave one away. Very good. This is how a fraction looks like. Now I will show you a visual aid of the numerator and the denominator. Quiet down. Now let's take a look at this visual aid. Alright, so the numerator is a number that is found on top. Right? This number here is how many parts do you have? Just like the apple that I cut. Right. This number is telling you how many parts you give to John. Right, yes. Now, the denominator is the number that is found at the bottom. This is telling us how many parts the whole is divided into, or we can say cut into. Since we've looked at numerator and denominator, I will show you what an whole looks like and a half. This is an whole. What is this, class? Yes, it's an whole. What is this one? This is 1/2. What is it? 1/2. This activity makes us share out each a blank page. Now we will demonstrate an half. Now we will fold the paper. Make sure each side is equal with each other. No talking. Come on. I have a half. Now I need you to open your paper. How many do I have here? 2 parts. Now when I fold it, how many do I have? 1 part. Very good.
Okay, class, let us get into a little recap on what was discussed today. But first, who can tell me what is a fraction? A fraction is what? A part of a what? A whole, correct. A fraction is a part of a whole. And who can tell me what 2 fractions did we touch on today? Yes, Carlisa? Did you say a whole? Correct. We looked at a whole and David, you try. Very good. Aha. We looked at a whole and a half. And what did we say about an whole? Very good. We say that an whole is not divided. And who can tell me what did we say about a half? Yes, John? Very good. We say that an whole is divided into a half. And a half, if we divide a whole, a half will be 2. Good, lovely children. Now we will discuss about the numerator and the denominator. Who can remember something that Miss Bailey said about the numerator and the denominator? Very good. The bottom number, very good. Yes, the numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. Excellent. So, the numerator is what? Lovely, my bright children. The numerator is how many the whole is divided into. And the denominator is what? Very good. Yes, Michelle. Did you say the numerator is how many parts we have? Very good. Class, give her a clap. And John, did you say that the denominator is how many the whole is divided into? Excellent. That is it. Okay, class. Are you sure that you understand what has been taught to you today on parts of a fraction? Okay, here is your homework. Walk with a pizza to school next week and we will divide the pizza in half. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, class, now have a great day and see you again next week.